Brats, if you're like me and you've been live streaming for a while, but you've been using your room mic, something that's away from you, and you turn your head, you don't get the same quality of sound. You might think, oh, I want a simple solution that I can just clip to myself and not have to deal with a lot. Photry here is trying to make it as simple as possible. Let's find out if they did it. They put tape on the box. You know what that means. You gotta have your small sharpened boxing knife handy. 2 pieces too. A little bit of overkill here. Ultra portable mini wireless microphone. Goes for around $60 on Amazon. Looks fancy. So it comes with 2 different parts. One is the case, one is the actual microphone, a carrying baggie, and a whole bunch of wires. So this carrying case right here acts as a charging case for the actual wireless microphone. This is supposed to be as simple as just clipping it onto your shirt and you're done. So unlike most lapel mics like the one I'm wearing right now, this clips up here and then I have a wire running to a box somewhere else on me. This is supposed to be really simple in that you just clip it and you're good to go. You take a USB-C cable they send you, you plug this into here, that's gonna charge it, and you can also plug this into your PC for connection. Comes with a 3.5 in case you're using this on a camera or you wanna use your 3.5mm aux port on your PC. It actually comes with a couple different ones. It comes with your 2 and your 3 tip in case you're using it on a phone or a camera or on your PC. And you can plug that into there, and then that's how you can run your audio out from it. Also comes with a USB-C to USB-C if you're not wanting to use a USB-A. And lastly, it comes with this magnetic clip so that if you want to magnet this on, have this somewhere handy when you take it somewhere. You have that option too. So it does come with a lot of little features, but more important than any of those is how is the sound. Let's test it out real quick. So we've got the Photry fully charged up, as you might be able to see with those few little lights there. What you're used to hearing in most of our unboxing is a Comica boom mic. It actually comes in a set of 2 for about $220. So this one mic for around $60 or $70 might be a big difference. We're gonna find out. You just take this part out, light is on. I'm gonna pop this also on here in about the same place. I'm gonna toss this over to John to hook up. So we are back. We've got our 2 cameras set up here. One mic is going to our great camera. The less expensive mic is going to our less expensive camera. I have no idea what I'm hearing right now. We'll have to get back with you here in a second after we review and listen to these, see how they sound. But both of them are on the same spot on my shirt. I did see that the Photry mic only has 1 button on it that you can use to press. So you long press it to shut off, or you can tap it to mute it. There's a light that kind of is telling you what's going on, but I mean, when this thing's on your shirt, I can't see that. It's not gonna be clear. If you accidentally press that button, you're gonna need to probably take it off or really look at it, make sure it's still set to the right setting. We're gonna go review these and get right back with you. Well, you heard the audio just now. That was through a DSLR camera and it sounded terrible. I emailed them and said, this sounds bad. Am I doing anything wrong? They responded with, sorry to bring you a bad experience. Our microphone does not support SLR and iPhone for the time being. Why did they send us these extra tips that technically should be for cameras or phones? Like, okay, I don't know. Let's give it one more shot. It says here in the email, but if you test with an Android phone, the sound quality is very good. My Motorola is an Android phone. We got a USB-C to USB-C, so let's give this one more shot. Blue light for on and working. Connecting in the same spot as my mic. USB-C to USB-C. Testing mic, talking. 1, 2, 3, testing. Tapping this mic to ensure that it's actually the one picking up the noise. And let me check that out. Now, after multiple attempts on every device we could think of, we have not been able to get this mic to get recognized or work barely at all. It sounded terrible on the DSLR. The phones couldn't even understand, no matter whether we used the 3.5 or the USB-C, that it would work, even though the company said Android phones it works on. No luck. So last ditch effort, trying it right here on the PC. It's plugged in right now on OBS. I had to turn it down 5 decibels and it's still jumping into the red. It's still clipping a little bit. So I'm gonna drop it all the way down to a minus about 10, minus 10 exactly. So now it's barely getting into the yellow. Even when I really raise my voice, it's not quite hitting red. Let's review this and see how it sounds. So we're gonna live watch this and see how it sounds real quick. Now, after multiple attempts on every device we could think of, we have not been able to get this mic to get recognized or work barely at all. It sounded terrible on the DSLR. The phone, no. That sounds just like it did on the DSLR, and it's going through USB now instead of 3.5. So them saying, okay, this will sound different or sound better on a PC or on Android phone is honestly a lie. Like, I don't know any other thing to say. It's completely a false statement that they're using to try and sway us a different direction on this. I turned the volume down here. Let's see if that improved it at all. So I'm gonna drop it all the way down to a minus about 10. Minus 10 exactly. No, that's horrible. That is just straight up horrible. You saw here how bad this mic is. I absolutely would never recommend this microphone. It's too much money for something that doesn't hardly work and sounds bad. What is this company thinking? If you watch this video, you guys need to come out with better products than this. This is not something that's gonna get you a very good reputation at all. So to those of you who are out there and watch this, felt informed, hopefully, seeing how bad this microphone was, I wanna say thank you to all of you, and I will see you in another reality. Why did I say boom?
I don't know.
Can you edit that out or should I re-say that?
I'll just edit it out really and this is a Comica Lav mic.
Lav. My mouth totally moves wrong.